What's up guys, welcome to Ian Outdoors. In today's video we're going to be working on the baler, looking at this trailer, and whatever else I can find. So let's get to it. Here's this trailer. It's going to be our new hay trailer and mower trailer. There's a few boards that are bad. Not very many, there's those two, then the ones on the end, right there. And these ones. Underneath it's not bad, it's actually a really good trailer. All around. I need to get a jack for it. That's just temporary.
What do you say thank you to? Did you say?
I want to thank my grandfather for giving us this trailer. David McLeod, Pop. He gave us this trailer since he wasn't using it. It's a nice trailer. The tires are still good. Just need some paint.
You need some work.
Paint, deck and boards. I need to make a ramp for it. It's a good trailer.
There, I'll loosen this up for you.
Okay.
See?
Whoops.
Don't even understand. Who's it?
There's a nail there.
It's a screw and bolt.
There it comes. And there's the bolt. Just cut that out with the hatchet. How does it look underneath?
Good.
Yeah, not bad.
We'll
Looks
fix
good.
it up some.
Now I'm going to be painting in there the rust spots that didn't get painted. And if I can get over there, those spots behind there too. So you're going to watch me do that. Probably make a mess of myself also. It's a nice day, so I'm going to keep the door open. Again, I did put my glove on and take it off. And they're full of paint and it's not 100% dry, so I had to take them off. I'm going to get in there. Get all the rust spots. And now I'm going to set you up in a time lapse to watch me paint. So I got this part here painted. I can't get in between those cracks. And with the brush, I'm trying to. It's making me mad. I can't stand the look of it with no paint in there. I can't get it in. I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll have to spray it to get it in there. I don't know. Now I gotta do that piece there and I'll take another look around. Maybe, I think there's something on the back, maybe, but I'll have to check and see. And that part is painted. Now, I just gotta do that part. Right there, gotta paint that. Yellow. That wasn't my best footage ever, but it wasn't my worst either. Certainly not my best. I think you looked at my backside the whole time, with what I could see. Oh wait, I missed a spot. hope you didn't get too much of my backside. Now, I sanded this piece with the dents in it. We got this from the Robert Sutherland again, this second piece to go in here. That goes on right there, that'll bolt on there. I sanded that down both sides, all the eaves and crevices, and I just didn't get the paint. I need new coveralls too. Mine are a bit short. But got that done on the other side. Now I'm probably going to go work with the decals that I need to reprint and do some different stuff with. But that's the front ones. That's the 268 and the Baler and the Holland. The paint is drying good now that I have the garage door open. Yesterday it was very cold and miserable. Today it's a good 15 degrees and beautiful out. I forgot about this box here that I got. This box right here. I gotta paint it. The bottom we had to replace since the metal was all rotted out. It's weird it's not so bright. Because the metal was all rotted in the bottom, I gotta paint the inside and out. I sanded it down. And the yellow's drying really good now that I got the doors open. So I'm gonna get to painting that piece. This block of wood here that I'm using, right there, it works perfect for setting my tripod on top so I can film. Because I only have one of those short tripods like that aren't too big. So I can just set it up on top, put my phone in. It's difficult to do it one hand. And then I got a perfect view of what I'm doing. I just completely forgot I was filming in the middle of painting that. And I was off over there looking. I heard some diesel truck or tractor or something. And I went off looking, forgot I was filming, just being nosy. Forgot all about it and just went off and looked. I don't know. I don't know how long it'll be in the I don't know how long it will be in the time lapse. Hope not too long. The box looks good though. All nice red. I still got to cover it up, and I put the brush in the gas and got my hands full of yellow paint when I was painting red. Like, what? How does this work? I don't know. I don't know. Everything else on the Baler looks good though. What else? What can I do today? Yellow on dried. I don't know. I stopped for a bit to go in, and I went on my phone and I was looking, because on this Baler, here I'll flip it around. On this Baler, the new Holland logos are like that instead of like the old ones, if you can see here, like that, like the old ones with the black around it and stuff, up there and there, like that. And these ones here too, and the same with the ones on the back. That one I sanded right off, but on the other side it's still there. And that. So I got those made, and I need to get a hair liner 268, so I'm getting those made. I didn't get these made, because I'm just going to tape those over, since they're not really a supreme looking thing that I want to get done to look beautiful. I have another sticker over here on this side here that I just put tape over, like the one there. And oh yeah, and at the start of the time lapse, I also lost my gloves, so that's why I was running around everywhere. So what me and my sister Isla just did is we drove in these posts. There's one over there, it's a bit bent over. One over there. And one there. And this is hopefully a barn layout. There's the house Here's the layout. It's 60 like that and 32 here. So it's 60 towards the woods and it's 32 towards that way. 60, 32. Towards there, the greenhouse up there, it's 60. Towards that woods, it's 32. 60, 32. That might be a little complicated. I hope you understood it, because I don't think I would if I was watching this YouTube video. I don't think I'd understand much. I don't really understand my content, but that's it. I hope Dad agrees. That's it. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment too. Maybe tell me if I should go smaller, go bigger. I don't know. I don't really know what to do. But that's going to be it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.